How to contact Badoo by email. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss how you can contact Badoo by email. So let's start. The first thing that you can do is reply to the email that you will get on your address while creating your Badoo account. However, there is no guarantee that the moderators will look into the particular emails. So while talking about contacting Badoo, the only option to contact them is through the feedback section that they have provided in their website. They have not provided any email addresses to contact them. So in order to contact them, you will have to go to any browser of your choice. Then after tap on the search bar and then search for Badoo feedback. You will get this feedback option from the official site of Badoo. Open it. Then it will take you to the screen like this. Now select the best option that aligns with the reason why you are trying to contact Badoo and tap on it. After that, you will have to enter your email address, name and the message that you are trying to convey to Badoo. Furthermore, you can also attach a screenshot if you have one. Then after, simply tap on send. As you do that, your message will be sent to the Badoo customer service. They will look into your message and respond to you through your email address. So in this way, you can contact Badoo. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.